Sarah now knows how to open and save a drawing in MS Paint. See, she has made a drawing. Now she wants to make some changes in her drawing and also wants to add colors. So let us explain to Sarah the Home tab and the icons within it so that she can enjoy editing and coloring her drawing in MS Paint. The Home tab includes the image editing tools that you can use to modify and color the image. Home tab contains a ribbon. Ribbon has most of the tools that we use in MS Paint. As you can see, there are different groups in the Home tab, namely Clipboard group, Images group, Tools group, Brushes group, Shapes group, the Size group, Colors group. In this video, we will learn about Clipboard, Images and Tools group. The first group on the ribbon is the Clipboard group. This group offers 3 options: cut, copy and paste. Do you know the functions of these buttons? Yes, these tools are used to copy, cut and paste the drawing from one place to another place on the drawing area. The second group in the Home tab is the Images group. Images group contains the following tools: Crop tool, that is used to remove the extra part from the drawing. Resize tool, which helps in making the drawing bigger or smaller. Rotate tool, that is used to rotate a drawing by a given angle. Now look at the Select option with a dotted rectangle icon. Do you know its functionality? This is a set of selection tools which allows us to select a drawing or a part of a drawing. Select tool looks like a star or rectangle outlined with hashed lines. The rectangular shape lets us select a rectangular area within an image. The Freeform Select tool, which allows us to select part of a picture in any shape. Besides these 2 selection tools, the Select menu contains 4 other selection options, namely Select All, which helps to select the entire drawing and the drawing area. Invert Selection, which allows to invert the selection. That means everything except the current selection gets selected. Delete Option, which helps to delete the selected drawing. And Transparent Selection, which helps to remove the background color from the selection. Now, let us have a look at the Tools group within the Home tab. The Tools group has tools which are used to draw and fill color. The tool with an image of a pencil is the Pencil tool. It is used to draw lines by clicking and dragging the computer mouse. The Eraser tool will erase parts of the picture or mistakes in the drawings. The Fill with Color tool looks like a jar that has paint spilling out of it. When we select an area of an image, this tool is used to fill it with a color. The Text tool has the letter A on it. This tool is used to type text directly onto the picture. The Color Picker tool looks like a dropper. This tool is used to select the color of the object and that same color can be used elsewhere in the image. Magnifier tool looks like a magnifying glass. This tool is used to zoom in and zoom out an image.
Oh, so can I first draw a small elephant and make another big elephant by using the magnifier tool?
No, please note that the magnifier tool does not change the actual size of the drawing. It only magnifies the drawing to make it look bigger or smaller. To learn about the remaining groups in the Home tab, watch our next video, Home tab Part 2. For more such interesting videos, please subscribe to our channel Headstart Learning.